Hey guys, how's it going? Today, in this video, we're going to be writing your first DuckyScript. So this is going to be a series of DuckyScript tutorials showing you guys different ways to use and write DuckyScripts, and really show you that it's a good tool to use in your IT professional career or at home. It's something that you shouldn't be afraid of, and you should throw in your IT toolbox and be using to your advantage, because hackers shouldn't be just using these tools. IT professionals should be using them to their advantage. So in this video, we're going to be making a DuckyScript that simply opens up Notepad, writes hello world, and saves it hello world.txt. Alright, so let's first open Notepad++ and get started. Alright, so we can go ahead and save this file as a DD file. So we'll just do payload hello world.dd, and that is the file type that our payload will accept for our rubber ducky. If you don't have a rubber ducky and want to make one, watch my other video explaining how to do that with a Raspberry Pi Pico, link in the description. And I also have another video explaining where to upload payloads if you already have them written into your Raspberry Pi Pico. So check that video out too. Alright, so let's get into it. The first thing we're going to start off with is a delay 1000. And what this will do is make sure our system delays for 1 second to ensure it's ready for commands to start being inputted. Alright, next we're going to open up Notepad, and we're going to do that by using the command GUI lowercase r, and then delay again, and then we're going to do string. This is going to be the application we want to open, so Notepad. We're going to do an enter after that, so we're going to select Notepad, and then we're going to add another delay again. We're going to make both these delays 500. Just delay half a second to give the system time to get ready for the command. And it's always good practice to put delays before and after your commands. So this command right here will open up Notepad. Alright. So then we're going to do another string, and this is going to be whatever we want to type into Notepad. So we're just going to say hello world, and we're going to do a delay 500 again. Alright, now we're going to save the file, and we're going to do that by Alt lowercase f, and then we're going to do string lowercase a. So that's going to save the file, and then we're going to do a delay for half a second, and then we're going to do string, and then this is going to be what we want to save the file as. So we're going to do hello _ world.txt, and then we're going to do an enter to do the save. Alright, now we're going to save this file. Alright, so let's upload this to my bad USB rubber ducky and see what happens. Insert your bad USB so we can open up the payload file. Alright, so next we're going to open up a file explorer, head over to our bad USB circuit putty, and we're going to edit this with Notepad++. So this payload.dd is going to be our payload file that we need to upload our payload to. So we're going to copy and paste this rubber ducky code, paste it into our payload, and save it. So now once I unplug and replug in this bad USB, it should execute our payload. So let's see what happens. Alright, now I'm going to plug in this bad USB with that payload that we just wrote together, and we're going to see if it opens up Notepad and writes hello world and see if it executes correctly and works. Alright, we can see that executed. And then if we go to our Notepad, we can see our hello world file that it saved as hello world. And that is how you write a DuckyScript, your first DuckyScript, to write hello world in a Notepad text file and save it as hello world. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos in this series.